what do you think this big green code represents? It's a big green code. It never stops generating codes. It keeps rapidly increasing. Some people think that all this code is pretty scary and don't want to touch it, while some people are really fascinated about it. Well, this is the actual number of codes that are running in an AI program. It's pretty shocking, right? Hello everyone. We are from Youth College International. My name is Harry, and I'm joined today by my partner, Man-Hin. In this presentation, we'll be discussing the development of artificial intelligence and its possible impact on the engineering field. Let's kick this presentation off, shall we? So there's this technology called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. It's growing super fast and could make a big difference in the engineering industry. Artificial intelligence, AI, is already changing how we live, work, and play. For example, map and navigation, facial recognition, digital chatbots, social media, and e-payments. During this presentation, we're going to talk about how AI can bring to the table, as well as any challenges or potential issues that might come up. We'll also take a look at how AI might shake things up in the engineering world and in the near future. Sounds good, right? Let's dive right in. Well, what is AI? Well, AI is basically like a computer system that can do stuff that usually requires human intelligence, like understanding speech, learning languages, solving problems, and making decisions. The cool thing is that it gets better the more it learns by analyzing data over time. It's not like any regular programming where it needs specific instructions. AI can adapt to new situations and change how it acts. That's why it's used in all sorts of everyday areas, especially in the engineering industry. It's great for crunching complex data, making designs better, predicting where maintenance is needed, and making sure everything's working top-notch pretty neat, huh? Why is AI that important? AI is important to engineering because it can help engineers solve complex problems more efficiently and effectively. For example, AI can be used for design optimization, which involves using algorithms to find the best design for a given set of parameters. This can save engineers time and resources by automating the design process and reducing the need for physical prototypes. AI can also be used for predictive maintenance, which involves using data analysis to predict when equipment will need maintenance or repairs. This can also help prevent failure and reduce the downtime needed, resulting in cost savings for the companies. In addition, AI can be used for quality control, allowing the engineers to quickly identify and address in manufacturing processes. This can also lead to improved product quality and customer satisfaction. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize the engineering industry by making processes more efficient, reducing costs, and improving the quality of engineering products and services. Now I would like to hand the mic to Man-Hin.
Yes. And now I will tell you about how engineers work 10 times faster using AI than regular engineers. So when they are tasked to make a car, the regular engineers go through a designing process which takes a couple of weeks, and then they go through another prototyping process before sending it off to the factory printing. However, the engineers who use AI only go through a designing process which only takes a few days, and go through a virtual reality prototyping process, and then factory printing. As you can see here, it saves a humongous amount of times, and it's a major improvement to the engineers who doesn't use AI. So next up, I want to talk about how engineers get high quality when using AI. So, can you guess which one of these pictures was drawn by a human? Well, the answer is actually quite surprising, because none of them were actually drawn by an actual human. All of these pictures are AI generated and created. So here, I try to draw something. Can you try to guess what I'm trying to draw? Well, it's not very clear from this picture. I'm not very good at drawing. So, but with my help, AI can help me draw a better picture with added qualities. And now, can you tell what it is? Well, it's clearly a giraffe. So if we use this to a real-life example, the Mona Lisa, we can use AI to enhance the Mona Lisa by extending the background and added details that wasn't there before, which brings me to my point. My point is that if we can use this AI technology on actual designing products, how much better would it be for those products if we used AI? So, next up, I want to talk about what is an engineer's most priority. Well, the engineers prioritize the most is safety, of course, because with safety, they can work with more confidence. So let's look at these pictures. These pictures has been scanned by AI. The AI recognizes the human and the equipment that is on the human. And also, AI also recognizes the human where is in the area. This, you might ask why this is important. Because this is important because that if the AI can recognize all this equipment and the person, where the person is, this can help with safety protocols and warn the person that is without safety equipment. This is really helpful for safety and more. So next up, I want to talk about predictive maintenance. So if you can prevent an accident before it happens, how much better would it be? This is what predictive maintenance is all about. So over time, water pipes like these can be break and rust away. Over time, lead to leakage and damage. And I'll let Harry tell you more about this.
Thank you, Manning, for your very informative information. Now, I want everyone to take a look at this illustration. Using the same knowledge as before, oil pipes like these can demonstrate how real-time data such as pH rate, CO2, and H2O levels will be transferred to the AI cloud for analysis and prediction automatically. Let's say, for example, that if there were any issues that were to be brought on by the pH and CO2 levels, it will automatically alert the operator to do checkups on it. So there you have it. AI can play a big role in keeping workers safe by detecting hazards, monitoring equipment, and providing top-notch quality to the customers.
So even after all we have told you about, in conclusion, some people are still skeptical about AI and think that it's dangerous and might even go out of control.
However, when we utilize AI correctly, it can help us with a lot of difficult and complex tasks. Also, we can reach higher goals that we couldn't before, like flying cars or even robot construction workers. Are you ready for the future? My name is Harry and
I'm Manny.
thank you for listening to our presentation.